Hi guys, just about to meet my buddy for a lunchtime beer, which hopefully won't descend into a all-day session. Time will tell. I won't be doing another video later, let's put it that way. But I've just finished clinic, and just an interesting observation. One of my guys said that his auntie said that he looks more like a man. Kind of a peculiar comment. However, I kind of got what she means. When he walked in, he had more confidence, more presence. Physically, he's actually changed. He's put some muscle mass on, which he's ever so pleased about. But yeah, he has a sort of an aura about him. Whether that aura would be described as being more manly, I'm not sure, but he's definitely changed. So the concept of being more of a man is a bit absurd, but you know, I suppose you have to define what you think a man is, but I mean, you know, let's not go there. But there is a change when you are deficient in testosterone and you address that deficiency and you become optimized. Then there is a physical and psychological change. It doesn't necessarily mean you're better or you're worse, or it's just there is a change, and clearly for the majority of guys that is a positive change. So to notice that change, you clearly have to have a deficiency, and suffer the signs and symptoms of low testosterone. So from a psychological perspective, obviously that's low mood, anxiety, depersonalization, lack of drive, determination, etc., etc. The low libido and erectile dysfunction is obviously super important. But physically, you know, you can suffer from a loss of lean muscle mass and increased visceral fat. But I don't think that's the major thing. I think the major change is actually more of a general change. And to coin a phrase, to be more of a man, perhaps that isn't too far off the mark. And until you've actually experienced the lows of low testosterone, both physical and psychological, you won't really fully appreciate how you are supposed to feel. Now, we always talk about the importance of hormone optimization and normalization. You know, we are not trying to make you into something you are not. So it's really important to understand that normalizing testosterone will make you normal. Normal, what does normal mean? Normal means if you're a man, a man. So, you know, you'll have to address all those other aspects of life in order to feel the benefits of testosterone replacement therapy. But the premise behind it is normalization, stroke optimization. Being more of a man. Well, being more of a man's up to you. How you define a man, a gentleman. You know, the alpha dogs who are optimized are not more manly. They're idiots. You know, a man should be cool, calm, collected. I said this in a previous video, you know, they should feel as if they could take on the world, but they don't need to be in your face. You have that hopefully you have a quiet confidence about you that is attractive. You know, attractive to the opposite sex, attracted to the same sex, I don't know, whatever persuasion you are, but attractive not in a sexual way, but just in a way that, you know, you are part of society and a healthy contributing part to society, because that's all we can really hope for. You know, we want to be hopefully productive members of society, and with that you need balance. So you need levels that are appropriate to your physiology, your genetics, and your requirements. When those levels are out of whack and you're running high, you're a bit of an idiot. And you know what it's like to have high estrogen. You're a little bit emotional, you're a little bit erratic. I think when you appreciate those symptoms and the fact that you can't really do much about them, then you do have a little bit of sympathy for women when they have their old PMT. I think you can get off murder with PMT. Sorry, it was my period. So I think, you know, if you do murder somebody on TRT, you can say it was estrogen. I'm not sure they can get away with that. So, but you know, there's always double standards when it comes to men and women, as we're fully aware. So, you know, if women can get away with murder because of PMT, surely we men can get away with murder for high estrogen. No, I can't see that's a joke. Just. So yeah, the premise behind testosterone replacement therapy is normalization, and it's wonderful to see my guys. Their transformations can be really quite dramatic at times, and you sometimes forget, because I see them obviously quite regularly. And I sometimes get a reminder. They sometimes show me a picture or something and they just go, look at how far I've come. And it's amazing, but it's just normality. Striving for normality. That's what we should all be striving for, because normality will allow you to be strong, confident, and fulfill our biological imperative. Get an erection and potentially procreate, to have little Robs running around everywhere, or little whoever you are running around everywhere. And yeah, life is amazing, you know. And with low testosterone you cannot see the beauty in life. With normal testosterone and having a different sense of perspective that testosterone can give you, you can enjoy life in all its glory. So yeah, be more of a man, be normal, be optimized. Ta-ra, guys.